Is your Gmail inbox constantly filled with newsletters, promotions, and emails you never read? Don't worry. Gmail has a simple way to help you manage your email subscriptions and unsubscribe from unwanted emails. First, open Gmail and sign in to your Google account. Once you are in your inbox, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Now, click on More to expand the menu. Look for Manage Subscriptions and click on it. Gmail's Manage Subscriptions section lets you see your active email subscriptions in one place. Found an email subscription you don't want anymore? Simply click Unsubscribe next to the sender. Gmail will then process your unsubscribe request. Keep in mind that it can take a few days before you completely stop receiving emails from that sender. If you don't have the Manage Subscriptions option, don't worry. There's another easy way. Open an email from the newsletter or company you want to unsubscribe from. Next to the sender's name, look for Unsubscribe. Click it and follow the instructions. For some senders, Gmail may show Go to Website instead, which takes you to the sender's website to complete the unsubscribe process. And that's it. Now you know how to manage your Gmail subscriptions and unsubscribe from unwanted emails. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tutorials.